Karishma Bhatt. I'm Deputy Manager HR and I'm associated with Cosmos for the past 7.5 years. I am looking after core HR functions like talent acquisition, onboarding, PMS, HR related other activities, and employee engagement. The work culture at Cosmos is very positive, productive, and inclusive. We have a very strong foundation in terms of the core values of our company, which are imbibed in all Cosmosians at all levels. Also, we have cultivating service mind culture with the help of Cosmos Care, wherein C stands for collaboration, A is alignment, R is respect, and E is encouragement. So overall, the work atmosphere in Cosmos is very conducive, and also every employee feels very motivated and happy to be a part of Team Cosmos. Cosmos is a place where everyone can grow, thrive, and learn together, and it's truly your partner in progress. I'm really looking forward to what's next, and I'm hoping for a long-term association with such a wonderful and amazing team of Cosmos. At Cosmos Impacts, the work environment is very open. It fosters open communication, respect, and collaboration. Hence, I would urge all my fellow Cosmosians to embrace this positive work culture and look forward to a long-term association with an amazing team like Cosmos. Our leadership is truly inspiring, and what really fascinates me is the open environment that we get to work, wherein they just don't lead from front, but they also set an example. They empower us, they listen to us, they guide us. Hence, the safe space is created wherein we can contribute individually and at the same time to a greater cause for the betterment of the company and its employees on the whole. Cosmos has seen exponential growth in the past few years. When I had joined in 2018, we used to make 20 machines a month, and today we make around 1500 machines annually. During this whole exciting phase of rapid expansion, my journey has been quite rewarding. Company's growth through new plants, product lines, market presence, and team expansion has opened up fresh opportunities for internal talent to grow up and take up higher responsibilities, and at the same time, creation of job opportunities for new talent across functions is quite fulfilling.